everyone, my name is Megan. I am reviewing the ABC Education Spellblock on their site. It says it's from your foundation year to year 3. I think it's probably for younger years, maybe foundation in year 1, but it might get a bit more complicated as you go up in levels. But starting out, it is a bit more simple with spelling one word, but it also not only does it do spelling, it sort of engages the spatial reasoning for students. So here you have the play, but here you also have a spell book. These are the words that I've spelled so far. If you go to the left, you can also add your own word. That maybe a student's struggling with, you can put their words in there so that they can practice spelling those. So let's get into playing. Basically, you will move blocks around a board to get into a vortex to spell the word correctly. It shows you the spelling of the word at the top of the screen, and there's only one place for the letter to go. That's why I think it is a bit too simple for a year 3. But it gets more complicated when there are more than one block, when there's more than one block, because the blocks are moved by your arrows on your keyboard. So those blocks move in the same way. So it can get a little bit complicated to work out how you can move your block and not lose one of the other blocks. So I'm hoping that we'll get to that quickly. You can collect your coins. That adds another aspect to it. I'm not doing that for time. Okay, so here we are. You can see I've got a B and I've got an I, and they move in the same. So if my B is stuck, so I can actually move my I without worrying about my B, which is great. Now I can move my B, but it can get a little bit difficult, and you need to actually swap the words around. These have been a little bit more simple, but it does require that spatial reasoning. I think this game might have a place, but I don't know how well it actually improves spelling. As you see, you've got the spelling here. You're simply copying it. But it would have a place, and it does improve student spatial reasoning. So ABC spell blocks, maybe for a year 1 or even a foundation, might be a good skill to copy, but probably not for a year 2 or 3.